In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Messenger right within Google Chrome, turning your browser into an efficient communication hub without the need for additional devices or apps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly send and receive messages, making your online interactions smoother and more integrated. First, let's begin by launching Google Chrome on your computer. This should be straightforward, as Chrome is one of the most widely used web browsers, thanks to its speed and efficiency. Once you have Chrome open, you'll need to navigate to the search bar at the top of your browser window. Here, type in "How to use Messenger" in Google Chrome and press the Enter key. This search will bring up a list of web pages and articles that guide you on integrating Messenger with Chrome. Once the results appear, look for a reliable source or guide that explains the process, either in written form or via a video tutorial. Selecting a trusted guide is important because it ensures that you're following the most effective and secure methods. One such site could illustrate the use of Messenger through the Chrome Web Store, where you can find a range of extensions specifically designed to enhance your browsing and messaging experience. After identifying a trustworthy source, follow the instructions to add the Messenger extension to your Chrome browser. The steps typically involve clicking on Add to Chrome on the Web Store page of the Messenger extension. Once you do this, a pop-up box will appear prompting for your confirmation to add the extension. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. This process will only take a few seconds, and upon completion, you'll notice a Messenger icon appearing in the top right corner of your browser. Now, click on the Messenger icon to open it. If you haven't already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook credentials. Make sure to use your correct login details to ensure a smooth sign-in. Once logged in, you will have full access to your Messenger chats right within the Chrome browser, allowing you to communicate with your contacts without having to switch between different applications or devices. To enhance your experience, customize the settings according to your preferences. You can manage notifications, appearance, and other features to tailor the Messenger interface to your liking. This will not only help in keeping you updated with instant notifications for incoming messages, but also allow for a tidier, more pleasant user experience. So, there you have it. Bringing Messenger into Google Chrome is as easy as pie and can significantly streamline your digital communication. Enjoy staying connected with friends and family effortlessly from your desktop, all while continuing to browse the web. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy messaging!